Xerox Primelink B9100 series printer. Cleaning the ROS window. If your output starts showing image quality issues, such as lines, or if prompted by the machine, you will need to clean the ROS window. Open the front door. Release the drum cover latch. Remove the drum cover screw and drum cover. Release latch 2 and pull out the drum. Caution: use the grasp handle when removing the drum. Place the drum on a level surface. Caution: use care to avoid touching or scratching the drum. Cover the drum or place it in a dark place to prevent damage from overexposing to light. Grasp the ROS window handle and carefully pull it straight out of the machine. Caution: use care not to bend the glass ROS window assembly while removing it from the machine. Use the platen cleaning cloth or a lint-free cloth to carefully clean both sides of the glass in the ROS window assembly. Note: wipe both sides of the glass in just one direction. Carefully position the sides of the ROS window assembly back into the machine until it is fully seated. When reinstalling the drum, make sure to line up the guides on the drum assembly with the rails on the machine. Slide the drum back into the machine. Secure latch handle 2 and the drum latch. Note: it is not necessary to reinstall the drum cover. Store it and the screw in a safe place. User guide, system administrator guide, and other documentation are available at https://www.support.xerox.com.